Hello, in this video I'll be showing how to make Indonesian traditional herbs or known as Kunyit Asam. So stay tuned and watch this video. These are the ingredients that you will need to make Kunyit Asam. And as you can see, there are so many benefits of Kunyit Asam for your body. So let's just get started to make Kunyit Asam. At the time, I already soaked the ingredients for a night, so I don't have to peel off the skin. The next step is rinse it with water, including the lemongrass. In this video, I'm using 97 grams of turmeric and 116 grams of sand ginger, grams of ginger, 110 grams of brown sugar, and the last one is 93 grams of tamarind. So these are the ingredients that you need: ginger, sand ginger, turmeric, brown sugar, and also lemongrass. So the next step is cutting it into pieces. Well, I personally squeeze it so it will be easier for me to chop all the ingredients. Anyway, if you want to peel off the skin, you can do it if you don't have time to rinse it or soak it for a night. But I personally soak it for a night so I don't have to peel off the skin, which is saving my time. I use 2000 milliliters of water or 2 liters of water, and yeah, we are smashing the lemongrass so the taste of the lemongrass will be more strong instead of just putting it. So I like to squeeze it, smash it, and then put it. Okay, we put the tamarind inside and then it's ready to be cooked now. Approximately it takes 15 to 20 minutes until the waters are boiled, and we have to keep stirring it so all the ingredients are mixed well. The next step, we have to put the brown sugar. I use 2 because I don't want really sweet, but some of the Indonesian they put an extra sugar, but well, it's your choice. If you like sweet, you can put more. If you don't want, then you can reduce it. And after the stirring and putting all the ingredients, just leave it. And when you see half of the water are used, it means that your Kunyit Asam is ready. So this is the last step. I use the filter so all the ingredients doesn't go to my glass, only the water that we have made. Well, you can drink it when it's hot or cold, it's all your choice, but I prefer to drink it when it is hot. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video.